Today I'm here talking about the large 80 ball capacity Ballport ball hopper. Now I used to own the smaller version of this that held 30 balls. This is a plastic ball hopper and I didn't know if it was going to last in the Arizona heat when it was plastic. The smaller version gave me absolutely no problems. Nothing broke on it. I was really happy with it. Now I've been playing tennis for a couple of years. I wanted to get the 80 ball version. Great thing I love about this is you can use it to both pick up the balls and when you're serving or practicing, the legs fold down, snap into place. Now you have a hopper to use for when you're grabbing your balls to serve. It's a really nice design at an attractive price. Is it as rugged as the smaller one? Or because it's bigger and wider and it's still completely plastic, am I gonna have any durability issues with it? Let's check it out. The plastic pizzas largely stay together because they actually snap into place. You can kind of see right here where they snap into place, but there's also screws for reinforcement. Now on the top, you have these adjustable rods, so when you're in your car traveling, the balls don't fall out. Then when you want to grab a ball because you're practicing, these just slide open and now you have access to the top of the unit. I actually like that one. One thing I definitely notice, it takes a lot more to hit all the balls in this hopper than it does the balls in the little hopper. Also, this one's got a little bit of wiggle to it. Doesn't have any problem supporting the balls and stuff. It's not going anywhere, but it's not perfect either. All right, is it the best ball hopper in the world? No, it's not. But at this price point, for an amateur like me, being able to collect the balls, hold the balls so I could serve them, it's going to suit my purposes just fine. I'd recommend it so long as you're a novice.